Hi everyone, this is Rebekkah Hansen of DiscoverYourDivinity.com. Now more and more often I am hearing, when is all this going to end? This is in reference to weather extremes, plane crashes, political coups, and so much more. And this is on a global level. It doesn't even address what's going on for us on a personal level. That's why I wanted to send out another video so close to the last one just about a week ago. We are in the midst of a new moon, that's the moon conjunct Cancer, that is very powerful, and it takes place on Monday, July the 8th. So I wanted to inform you of the magnitude of this since its effects is right upon us. I'm talking about the energy of the numbers as well as the astrological placement, so let me give you a little preview. The numbers 4 and 8 are very karmic numbers. Numbers are symbols and messengers that have been studied since ancient times and still hold our attention today. The ancient Chaldeans indicated that the numbers 4 and 8 in combo with each other have a very fateful consequence. And they're both manifestation numbers. The number 4 is composed of a triangle that is grounded on one side, and this represents the body, mind, and spirit triad of creation, with the vertical line grounding into matter through discipline and work using step-by-step methods for stability and balance. The number 8 represents authority and abundance, and it is the infinity symbol of eternal life and represents divine law, as above, so below. Moving on here, the new moon happens on July the 8th at exactly 8:14 a.m. Universal Time. 8 plus 1 plus 4 equals 13. 3 and 1 equal 4. The number 13 is an agent of change with genius thinking and deals with birth, death, and natural cycles of life. And it's the renewal and regeneration number. When I looked at the astrology chart for this new moon, I found the Sun-Moon conjunct in the watery emotional sign of Cancer was joined by Mercury, which is retrograde, and indicates that communication is going to be involved. I could go on and on all day long about Mercury retrograde, but do feel the need to mention that this conjunction is involved in an aspect called a T-square, with Pluto opposite the Sun-Moon-Mercury conjunction and Uranus squared to both of them. A few months ago, I mentioned the impact of the Pluto-Uranus square being all about sudden transformation so that there can be a remodel effect from the out-of-date into the new. Can you hear how the number 13 is also involved with its agent of change sort of energy? This square is triggered by the Sun-Moon-Mercury conjunction, and so we can expect a lot of upheaval before transformation begins. This Sun-Moon conjunction happens exactly at 16 degrees Cancer. Cancer rules family and home. And the number 16 is the number of spiritual transformation and awakening. It is more important now than ever for you to listen to your intuition and not ignore those hunches. Do keep in mind that the moon moves through a sign in 2 days, so it's a rather fast-moving trigger effect that's somewhat short-lived, but all the other aspects here are going to be in effect for quite a bit longer. You do get some help from the easygoing grand trine of Saturn, Jupiter, and Neptune in the intuitive water signs, so use all these tools to guide you through tougher times. It will help ease the tension. Now, in the bigger picture, you may feel the need to be part of a group where you can contribute to a cause or reform where humanities are concerned. Often the sudden motivation that leaves you feeling in conflict and disjointed is what motivates you forward into focus and greater accomplishment. The strong drive to overcome these obstacles is how the tension is going to get resolved. Now also remember that by the upcoming full moon, July 22nd, we're going to have 4 planets, there's that number 4 again, in Cancer, so avoid crawling into your shell by letting your nurturing, intuitive side shine forth. When your sensitive protective side steps up with the intense feelings you have, you may find yourself in an incredibly creative mode. So avoid mothering others and allow your relationships their own space to feel fully on their own. Again, balance is the key. Use this information to help you navigate, and you're going to be just fine. This is Rebekkah Hansen of DiscoverYourDivinity.com. I'm an intuitive evolutionary astrologer here to help you see your true qualities so you can live authentically. Thank you.